How cracked broken porcelain is repaired. We begin with gold. Powdered gold is ground with lacquer, strained through cloth until only the purest paint remains. Set aside in a bamboo vessel, waiting. Next comes red, cinnabar powder and lacquer, ground together into a smooth, vivid paste. Pressed through cloth, it emerges rich and silken. Then black. Broken tiles are ground to dust on stone ground again and again. Water is added, stirred, then poured away. Grinding, settling, tilting, repeated until only the finest particles remain. 5 hours of patience. The water is removed. The powder dries quietly. Now we turn to the broken cup. Rice flour folded into lacquer makes a strong adhesive paste, applied to every broken edge. The pieces are joined and bound tightly with thread, held firmly while the bond takes hold. Where pieces are missing, tile, ash, and lacquer come together as a thick, solid dough, pressed into every void, restoring what was lost. The surface is roughed. And now the lacquers come, one by one. Black lacquer into every crack. It dries, refined. Red lacquer follows warm and deliberate. It dries. And finally, gold. Dusted carefully along every seam, every line where the break once lived. The excess swept away. What remains are veins of gold marking every fracture, honoring every scar. And it is more beautiful for it. This is kintsugi, the art of repairing with gold and finding elegance in what was once broken. If you are moved by the quiet strength of turning flaws into beauty, please subscribe for